Best sex positions. Welcome back everyone. Today I've brought you a very interesting topic. Best sex positions. I know all of you watching this video is interested to know about it, so watch till the end to find out. So first of all, let's begin with, what is a sex position? A sex position is a positioning of the bodies that people use to engage in sexual intercourse or other sexual activities. To keep the spark alive in the bedroom is worth the time and attention. According to website researches, here's 15 best sex positions for you to try with your partner. Number 1. The spoon. Perfect for lazy mornings or cozy nights. Lie on your sides with one partner behind the other, curling into a spooning shape. It's relaxed, comfortable, and allows for whispered sweet nothings or gentle kisses on the neck, which is definitely pure romantic bliss. Number 2. Face to face. Sit facing each other, either on the bed or a sturdy surface, with legs intertwined. This position keeps things slow and deeply connected, with lots of opportunity for eye contact and lingering kisses. Number 3. Standing embrace. For a playful and spontaneous vibe, try this one. One partner stands with their back against a wall for support while the other faces them, standing close. It's ideal for those passionate moments when you can't wait to get closer. Well, just make sure the wall is sturdy. Number 4. Lotus. Sit cross-legged and have your partner sit on your lap, wrapping their legs around you. This position encourages intimacy and a gentle rhythm, perfect for long, lingering moments together. Number 5. Side saddle. Lie side by side facing each other, with one partner's leg draped over the other's hips. It's especially lovely for whispering sweet nothings and holding each other tight. 6. Passionate plank. For a classic twist, one partner lies on their back while the other is on top, supporting themselves with their hands or forearms. It's versatile, with room for playful experimentation or gentle intimacy. Number 7. Chair affair. Grab a sturdy chair and let one partner sit while the other straddles their lap. It's a brilliant way to mix things up while maintaining eye contact and hands-on connection. Bonus points if the chair's height allows for some creative angles. Number 8. Lazy lovers. Lie on the bed with one partner on their back, and the other lying across them at a slight angle. This position is all about experimentation, offering the perfect mix of playfulness and relaxation. It's ideal for those chilled-out evenings when comfort is key. Number 9. Standing spoon. Similar to traditional spooning but on your feet. One partner stands behind the other, allowing for deep physical and emotional closeness. It's a brilliant choice for spontaneous moments, and works well for couples looking for something a bit different. Number 10. Romantic reverse. One partner lies on their stomach while the other lies on top, facing the same way. This position allows for tender kisses on the neck and shoulders, creating a romantic and intimate atmosphere while keeping things simple and relaxed. Number 11. The crossroads. Lie on your back while your partner kneels between your legs at an angle, forming an X shape. This position allows for deep connection and playful experimentation with angles, perfect for finding what feels best for both partners while staying close. Number 12. The overlap. One partner sits on the edge of the bed while the other straddles their lap, facing away. This position offers a new perspective and lets you explore different rhythms while keeping things exciting. Add a mirror for an extra adventurous touch. Number 13. The butterfly. Lie on your back at the edge of a bed or table, while your partner stands or kneels in front. With legs lifted slightly, this position offers a mix of intimacy and sensation. Number 14. The bridge. One partner lies on their back with knees bent and hips slightly raised, while the other kneels above. This position creates a lovely sense of support and trust, allowing you to focus on each other completely. Perfect for slow, intimate moments. Number 15. The rider's embrace. One partner lies flat while the other straddles them, sitting upright. It's all about control and connection here, with plenty of opportunities for eye contact, shared smiles, and a pace that suits you both perfectly. Well, these are the 15 best sex positions for you to try with your partner. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss our upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching.